Hi, hello, my dear students. Now, in this episode, let us discuss some numerical problems on chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. So, here is the fifth problem. The threshold wavelength of tungsten for photoelectron emission is means solution given. So, here threshold wavelength of tungsten for photoelectron value is 2000. 300 angstroms means lambda naught is equal to 2300 angstrom. So that is equal to 2300 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So again calculate its work function. Work function means W or pi naught is equal to question mark, and also calculate the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons emitted when ultraviolet radiation of wavelength 1800 angstroms is incident on it. Means K maximum equals question mark. Then wavelength of ultraviolet incident radiation is lambda is equal to 1800 angstroms. So that is equal to 1800 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Clear? So this is a given data. Now we know that expression for work function W is equal to H into nu naught. So where H is nothing but Planck's constant, nu naught is nothing but threshold frequency. Here threshold frequency will be converted into threshold wavelength means H into C divided by lambda naught. We know that relation between velocity, wavelength and frequency, but here threshold wavelength becomes lambda naught, threshold frequency becomes nu naught. Then nu naught is nothing but C divided by lambda naught. Clear? So work function formula W is equal to H into nu naught ಇದೆ. So nu naught ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು wavelength ಅಲ್ಲಿ express ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, C divided by lambda naught ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So here H is Planck's constant, C is nothing but speed of light and lambda is nothing but threshold wavelength. Clear? Now we know that value of Planck's constant is 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into speed of light means 3 into 10 power of 8 by wavelength value, threshold wavelength value. So here 2300 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Clear? Then 6.625 into 3 becomes 19.875 into 10 power minus 34 plus 8 becomes minus 26. Here by 2300 into 10 power minus 10. Then we are getting 0.00864 into 10 power minus 26 plus 10 becomes minus 16. Clear? So 6.625 ಅನ್ನು 3 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 19.875 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು ಸೊ minus 34 ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are getting minus 26 by 2300 into 10 power minus 10. Then 19.875 divided by 2300 becomes 0.00864 into, so here minus 26, then minus 10 is taking for numerator becomes plus 10, then minus 26 plus 10 becomes minus 16. Minus 26 ಜೊತೆ plus 10 ಅನ್ನು subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Clear? Then 8.64 into 10 power minus 19 joule. So this is nothing but unit of SI unit of work function is nothing but joule or electron volt, but here we are expressed in terms of joule. Clear? So unit of work function ಅಂದರೆ electron volt ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಇರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ energy of each photon energy of each photon becomes E is equal to H into nu. Expression for energy of photon is E is equal to H nu. So that is equal to H into C divided by lambda. Clear? Then here Planck's constant value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into C value 3 into 10 power of 8 by wavelength value 1800. So here ultraviolet radiation of incident wavelength is 1800 into 10 power minus 10. clear. Then 6.625 into 10 into 3 becomes, we are getting 19.875 into 10 power minus 34 plus 8 becomes minus 26 by 1800 into 10 power minus 10. Then 0.0110 into 10 power minus 16. 19.875 ಅನ್ನು 1800 ಜೊತೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0.0110 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು minus 26 ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ಅನ್ನು ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ minus 16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1.0 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ 1 ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಂಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ 1 2 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 1.0 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ minus 19 joule. So this is nothing but energy value. Energy of photon value is equal to 11.0 into 10 power minus 19 joule. But so calculate the maximum kinetic energy means, so here K maxima, Ke maxima. So according to Einstein photoelectric equation, K maxima is equal to E minus work function, energy of photon minus work function. So energy of photon value becomes 11.0 into 10 power minus 19 minus work function value. So here 8.64 into 10 power minus 19. 11.0 into 10 power minus 19 minus 8.64 becomes 2.36 into 10 power minus 19. Here, so ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಪವರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಪವರ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗ್ದೀನಿ. 10 ಪವರ್ minus 19 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 11.0 ಜೊತೆ 8.64ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 2.36 into 10 power minus 19. Here, so this is nothing but maximum kinetic energy. Maximum kinetic of joules, but joule is converted into electron volt becomes, we know that 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Then 1 joule is equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 electron volt. Clear. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಜೌಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1.6 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ minus 19 ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಜೌಲಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 1.6 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ minus 19 electron volt. Clear. So but here the maximum kinetic energy value is in terms of joules, but joule is converted into electron volt becomes 2.36 into 10 power minus 19 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. 10 power minus 9. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2.36 by 1.6 ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 1.475. So this is the maximum kinetic energy value in terms of electron volt. Maximum kinetic energy value in terms of electron volt. Next, sixth problem. So the photoelectric cutoff voltage in a certain experiment is, means solution given, cutoff voltage means V is equal to 1.5 V. Cutoff voltage is V naught is equal to 1.5 volt. So what is the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron? Maximum kinetic energy means K maxima equals question mark. So this is a given data, but we know that expression for kinetic energy in terms of electron volt, K equals E V naught. Clear. So we are already studying dual nature of radiation chapter. Kinetic energy in terms of electron volt becomes K is equal to E V naught. But here, so calculate maximum kinetic energy anta keltare, K is equal to question mark. Then here, so we know that energy of electron value, charge of electron value becomes, so here charge of electron value E equals 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Clear. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into, so here potential value 1.5. Clear. but 1.6 into 1.5 becomes 2.4 into 10 power minus 19 joule. So this is the maximum kinetic energy value. K maxima equals 2.4 into 10 power minus 90 joule. So this is the answer. Clear? Next one. Next seventh problem. Monochromatic light of wavelength means solution given. Wavelength lambda equals 632.8 nanometer. Nanometer into meter means minus 9 meter. Clear? So monochromatic wavelength light of wavelength value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So lambda is equal to 632.8 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Nanometer in the meter convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ so here multiply with 10 power minus 9 meter. So he is produced by a helium neon laser. The power emitted is, power means P equals 9.42 milliwatt. Milli means 10 power minus 3 watt. Clear? Then first part, find the energy. Energy means E equals question mark and momentum of each photon in the light beam. Momentum of each photon is P equals question mark. Clear? Then B part, how many photons per second on the average arrive at the target radiated by the beam. So how many photons per second means n is equal to question mark. So this is the given data. So now we know that energy of each photon. So part first, energy of each photon. Energy of each photon. Formula E is equal to h into nu or hc divided by lambda. So E is equal to h into nu. So in terms of velocity or wavelength becomes hc divided by lambda. So frequency energy value ಬಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂದು E is equal to h nu ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ C by ಏನು ತೊಗೊತಾದ್ವಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ Planck's constant value, h means Planck's constant value 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 into C value 3 into 10 power of 8 by, so here wavelength value 632.8 into 10 power minus 9. So even simplify madare, so we are getting 3.14 into 10 power minus 90 joule. So this is the value of energy of each photon. Next one, find out the momentum of each photon in the light beam anta keltare. So momentum of each photon, momentum of each photon P equals formula h divided by lambda. Clear? So according to de Broglie wavelength, momentum of each photon is P is equal to h divided by lambda. de Broglie wavelength experiment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. P is equal to ಏನು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, h divided by lambda, where h means Planck's constant, lambda is nothing but wavelength of light used. Clear? Then here Planck's constant value 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 by wavelength value 632.8 into 10 power 9. So even simplify madare, so we are getting 1.05 into 10 power minus 27. Unit is number kg meter per second. So this is a value of momentum of each photon. Clear? Next, number of photons per second means number of part B. So here part B, number of photons arriving, number of photons arriving per second, target. So here n is equal to P by E formula. So again momentum of each photon value, sorry, power divided by energy. So here n is equal to power divided by energy. Power value becomes 9.42 into 10 power minus 3 by energy of each photon value 3.14 into 10 power minus 19. So we are getting 3 into 10 power of 6 photons per second. So this is the solution for 7th problem. Clear? Number of photons arriving per second at the target andre. So n is equal to power divided by energy. So here power value 9.42 into 10 power minus 3 by energy value 3.14 into 10 power minus 19. So here simplify madare. We are getting 3 into 10 power of 6 photons per second. So is to number of next 8th problem is the threshold frequency for certain metal is solution given threshold frequency means minimum frequency nu naught is equal to, so here 3.3 into 10 power 14 hertz. If light of frequency means nu is equal to 8.2 into 10 power 19 hertz. Greater than threshold frequency value 8.2 into 10 power 19 hertz is instant on metal. Predict the cut-off voltage for photoelectron emission. So calculate cut-off voltage and voltage of photoelectron emission anta keltare. So here V naught is equal to question mark. So this is a given data, but we know that maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron is maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron is, so here K maxima equals formula h nu minus h nu naught. So according to Einstein photoelectric equation, E is equal formula work function plus kinetic energy, but kinetic energy is equal to energy minus work function. So energy formula becomes h nu, work function formula h nu naught plus Ke here. So Ke maxima equals h nu minus h nu naught. So this is the expression for maximum kinetic energy in terms of energy and work function. Clear? But in these two terms, h is common term taking outside. So h into nu minus nu naught. But here, so kinetic energy in terms of electron volt becomes E V naught is equal to h into nu minus nu naught. Clear? Then V naught is equal to h into nu minus nu naught by E. Here. So but here h is Planck's constant, nu is greater than threshold frequency, then nu naught is nothing but threshold frequency by, so here E is nothing but electron, charge of electron. So here Planck's constant value 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 into, so here frequency value 8.2 into 10 power 19 minus threshold frequency value 3.3 into 10 power 14 by, so charge each electron value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Clear? So this is a constant value. E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Charge of electron value is to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Clear? So now here we ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ. 8.2 into 10 power. So this is a 14 power 10 power 14. So here also 10 power 14. Then 8.2 into 10 power 14. Clear? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 power 19 ಅಲ್ಲ 10 power 14. Clear? So here 6.63 into 10 power minus 34. So ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಪವರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ. 10 power 14 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ 8.2 minus 3.3 becomes 4.9 into 10 power 14. Clear? So 8.2 ಜೊತೆ minus 3.3 ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4.9 into ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 10 power 14 by 1.6 into 10 power 19. Clear? So here 6.63 into 4.9 becomes 32.487 into 10 power. So minus 34 plus 14 becomes, so here 20 minus 20 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. minus 34 ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 14ನ ಕಳೆದರೆ minus 20 ಬರುತ್ತೆ by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So again 3.2 32.487 by 1.6 becomes 20.30 into 10 power. So here minus 20 minus 19 ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 19 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 20 plus 19 becomes minus 1. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ಜೊತೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಪವರನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ 2.03 electron volt. So this is the cutoff voltage for photoelectron electric emission value. Cutoff voltage for photoelectric emission value V naught is equal to 2.03 electron volt. This is the solution. Next, ninth problem. Calculate the momentum. First part, calculate the momentum. So here solution given. Momentum is P is equal to question mark. Then part P, de Broglie wavelength of electron. Electron is lambda is equal to question mark. De Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to question mark. Accelerated through a potential difference of potential difference means V equals 56 volt. So this is the given data. But here energy, kinetic energy equals energy, kinetic energy in terms of electron volt becomes EV. So here E into V value becomes 56 volt. Clear. But here kinetic energy is equal to charge of electron value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into potential difference value 56. Clear. Unit SI unit is joule. So we know that momentum of electron according to de Broglie wavelength, momentum of electron. Part first, momentum of electron P is equal to root of 2m into k. So where m is nothing but mass of electron, k is nothing but kinetic energy. So according to de Broglie wavelength derivation ಪ್ರಕಾರ P is equal to root of 2m into k ನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡಿಂದ. ಸೊ here P means momentum, m is nothing but mass of electron, k is nothing but kinetic energy. So here root of 2 into mass of electron value 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into kinetic energy value 1.6 into 10 power 19 into 56 into ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ 56. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. So again here again 2 into 9.1 into 1.6 into 56 value 1630.72 into 10 power minus 50 root. So minus 31 minus 19 becomes minus 50. Clear. So again root of 1630.72 becomes root value 40.38 into 10 power minus 25. So 10 power minus 15 ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1/2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 ಇಂದ. ಸೊ 15ನ 25 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ರೂಟ್ 10 ಪವರ್ minus 15 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 10 ಪವರ್ minus 25. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಗೈನ್ 4.038 into 10 power minus 24 unit is nothing but kg meter per second. So SI unit of momentum is kg meter per second. So momentum value 4.038 into 10 power minus 14. Clear. Next, according to de Broglie wavelength, lambda equals h divided by p. So where h is nothing but Planck's constant, p is nothing but momentum. According to de Broglie wavelength. According to de Broglie wavelength, lambda is equal to h divided by p. So here Planck's constant value 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 by, so here momentum value 4.038 becomes 4.038 into 10 power minus 24. Lambda equals 6.63 by 4.038 becomes 1.64. 2 into 10 power minus 34 plus 24 becomes 10 power minus 10. minus 34 ಜೊತೆ plus 24ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1.642 ಆನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ wavelength, de Broglie wavelength of electron accelerated through a potential difference of 56 volt. Here